Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm gonna show you how to fix the Reels scroll down problem. So first of all, go ahead to your App Store, Google Play, and what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just go ahead and make sure that my Instagram app is fully updated to the latest version so I can actually have access to all the new features. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to just go back to my screen and go ahead to my browser, and I'm going to just scroll a little bit down right here. How to fix Instagram Reels not scrolling. Clear the cache, and the cache is the data stored in your device when you visit the website or use an app. You install or reinstall the app on your iPhone or update your phone, which we did, and we could do the two steps, which is you uninstall by going back to our screen and go ahead and click right here the Instagram and hold before you click on it, and just remove the app. And by removing the app, you will release or you will force Instagram to update itself to the latest version, and they will be forced to delete the unnecessary documents and data on your phone. Or you can just do the easiest way, which is going to your settings, general, and then iPhone storage. In the iPhone storage, what you gotta do, you gotta just scroll a little bit down until you find the Instagram basically, and after you find the Instagram, you could just upload the app, and by uploading the app, you will release some of the unnecessary data without deleting the app, and you can reinstall and reinstall it once again without losing any of your documentation. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.